There was a magnitude 6.4 earthquake near Ferndale last night in Northern California. Now, the area where this earthquake occurred is very seismically active. In fact, there was another magnitude 6.4 in the same general area last year on December 20th, 2021. And let me see, there have been at least 40 magnitude 6 plus earthquakes within 250 kilometers of this event. So, what's going on around here? It's actually a really interesting part of the world. So the San Andreas Fault is a right lateral strike slip fault, which means that those pieces of the Pacific Plate and North American Plate, they're sliding past each other at about the rate that your fingernails grow. The Pacific Plate's actually heading up kind of towards Alaska. This area, near the Mendocino Triple Junction, near Ferndale, is actually where the San Andreas Fault goes off into the ocean. It takes a hard turn to the west and goes off into the Mendocino Triple Junction. To the north of that is a different plate called the Juan de Fuca Plate. The very bottom of that is this little other plate called the Gorda Plate, which is part of the Juan de Fuca Plate. So this is like a three-way stop where we have the North American Plate, the Pacific Plate, and the Juan de Fuca Plate all coming together. And so it's kind of a jumble with all sorts of things going on right there. So the San Andreas goes off to sea, and right above that, that's where the Cascadia subduction zone begins. Very interesting geologic area. Unfortunately, a lot of people were awoken by this earthquake. There was lots of shaking. It was felt very strongly near the epicenter, and it has caused some damage. Damage to roadways, especially to things inside of homes, and a large part of Humboldt County is without power right now. So all of you that live there, remember, you are likely to feel more shaking from aftershocks. There have been a lot of aftershocks to this earthquake already. Aftershocks are normal after an event this size. They're really just smaller earthquakes that happen after a larger event. So hopefully as time goes on, you'll feel less and less shaking from those. In the meantime, make sure that you're prepared. If you feel earthquake shaking, drop down to the ground, take cover underneath a sturdy object, and hold on tight until all shaking has stopped. Don't be scared. Be prepared.